Hello everyone, my name is Safira Heronisa. In this presentation, I will discuss the fall of Kodak, a classic example of a major company that failed to adapt to technological disruption. Okay, background. Kodak was once a global giant in photography. Although it was pioneer in digital cameras, the company feared disrupting its traditional film business. As a traditional film business, as a result, innovation was delayed. In 2012, Kodak filed for bankruptcy, showing how failing to face this disruption can be fatal. Okay. Problem statement. This presentation focused on three main questions. One, what caused Kodak's failure? How did Kodak respond to digital? And three, what lesson can we learn from this? Okay. Next, brief history of Kodak. Kodak was founded by George Eastman in 1888. It revolutionized photography by making it accessible to the general public and dominate the market for nearly 100 years. Okay. The beginning of decline. In 1975, a Kodak engineer invented the first digital camera. However, management ignored this innovation due to fear of harming the profitable film business. Meanwhile, competitors like Sony and Canon seized the opportunity and eat the digital market. Okay. Next, strategic mistake. First, the company stayed too long in the traditional film business. They continued to focus heavily on physical film production, even as the market began shifting toward digital. Two, second, enter the digital market too late. Third, the company rigid structure blocked innovation. Their organization made decision making slow and hindered the ability to pivot or innovate in response to market change. Lastly, they made significant investment in print, hoping it would offset their losses in the film industry. Unfortunately, this investment failed to make up for the losses, further staining their financial situation. Okay. Bankruptcy and restructuring. Kodak filed for Chapter 11, bankruptcy in January 2012. The company sold its patents to pay debt and shifted its focus toward commercial printing and imaging solutions starting in 2013. Okay. Okay, the conclusion. Kodak's downfall show how a lack of adaptability can be fatal in fast-changing world. Resistance to change and poor strategies decision it to its failure. Companies must be flexible and prioritize innovation. Okay, next suggestion. From Kodak's case, we learned that companies should one, embrace innovation even if it's disruptive. Second, build an adaptive and forward-thinking culture. Third, make decisions based on customer needs and market trends. And, and fourth, combine R&D investment with bold execution strategies. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone for your attention. This is my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.